Hi guys, today we are playing Roblox Rivals Rank Part 2.
But I don't know why she have a timeout. So first, I guess we are going to warm up for our practice. So let's just do a quick 1v1.
We rage baited.
Alright, wait now. We'll see. We'll see who plays better.
No, let's just wait. I don't
No,
know
bro, you have 5 minutes timer. I ain't that patient. Come in a 1v1. Then we'll see. After that, we are gonna do 2v2. So yeah. Nah?
Okay.
How the tram?
यार मैं फिर वॉक करने जा रही हूँ तुम्हारे पास है फोन ठीक है
Okay, you're so dead, brother. And?
You do yours.
Ooh, what about yours? What about
Only 10
you?
seconds left. Too fast.
What about you? What about you?
Okay, no.
What about you? This? What about you? This?
He has a sniper.
Stop yapping.
Yeah, I'm gonna win this.
Oh no, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Oh. No, good up. Guys, I tried to katana, but I failed.
Yes, I can see technically you failed due to some issue.
And then you're gonna try to stab me. Oof, oof. Guys, I katana her. Guys, I katana her. Guys, I katana her.
Hello.
Guys, she's so dead. I will again katana her. Bruh, easy. Guys, she's so easy to beat. Guys, literally look. I'm beating her right now. So easily. Yeah, what are you trying to do? Nope, 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 nope. Give me the nope, 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 nope. Bruh. Bruh. This is so dumb. No, I'm stuck. No, 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 no. No, no. Oh no, bro. Guys, this is so trash.
Yeah.
She's so bad, bro. She literally needs to riot shield. Bruh, you know what? I'll be that irritating guy. I'll show you how do we use even your riot shield. Let me show you how do we use riot shield. Yep, guys, I'll show you. Where are you? Hey, come on. Come. Hit me. Where are you? Yo, bruh.
Yeah, hit the right team. Where are you? Get out of here.
What if I gave you out of here, bruh? Where are you? Hey.
What the hell, bro?
Bruh, you're not. Bruh. No, that is cheating. There you go. Ooh. Guys, we will. Oh, yeah.
Why?
Why not? Huh? What about why not?
Wait, my phone fell.
Nah. Rohit Shield. Hello, Rohit Shield. Rohit Shield, help me. Ui. Rohit Shield, help me. Do not disappoint. Hello. Ooh, what if I hit you? You gonna cry? You gonna cry? Ooh. No. These stop shooting balls at me.
Hey, oh, that's all.
Nah, now you're thinking weird. Nah, man.
You're dragging me out of the safe zone. Can you stop using your riot shield?
What if I don't?
Then don't.
Okay, I
Don't
won't. No! Bruh.
You will need help.
Yeah, so.
Hi, it's the right shield fight.
Wait, did I give you damage?
No.
Hello, you can do anything. Nope. Can you stop slingshot spamming?
When I want to.
Nope, I'm about to die.
Then what should I do? It sounds like a you problem.
No! Oh no, guys.
You will not need help.
Okay, I guess we can.
I think we can do rank now.
Yep, we can. Come on. Guys, so this is our second part of us trying to get our silver ranked. But this noob is kind of noob, so it's hard for me to get ranked. Silver. Yeah. This noob keep on dying again and again. I know I lost to her, but who cares? Come on. Please don't leave. First try, yeah. In our video, it's first try. I swear if somebody leaves right now, bro. Yep. Oh.
No, you did that.
Then who did that?
We have our left. Well, bro, you did not do any.
Yeah, so I got my sniper right. I got my sniper. Oh my god, my play sniper.
And my headphone shorty also.
Bruh.
I love my shorty.
Bruh, I know, right? It's so good.
I love 3 short people and you're like, oh my god, thank you so much.
And that time.
Yo,
You're using the chainsaw?
no. This is why I'm gonna make us again. And the guy.
They're literally dumb hiding. I got a flip. Bro, did you shoot that? They're literally running right now. I killed him. I stole your kill. Hell, guys, I stole her kill.
Like 50 health and you just was like 50 and
Done. Only the zone. Come on, bro. Come on.
I'm on the way.
I got. Oh, wait, I don't know. I got him now. No, I was taking that kill, bro. You
Oh,
stole.
you got 1 kill, I got 1 kill, fair and square.
Fair is square. Holy Capitron guide. That's what you all know. Guys, who thinks Shreya yaps a lot? Shreya yapper in the. No. Nope. Fuck. Nope. Skibidi ho hi ho na. Are you fighting him with the sniper? Bruh.
You get killed now.
Die. Whatever. I see, bro.
That's why I headshot you.
Are you dead? Bruh. No, he's behind me. I know that.
Oh! Spam your daggers! Damage to me! Are you getting shot with daggers? Are you kidding me?
Bro, how is this guy? Bro. I got both of them solo.
And you just got defeated by him, no.
Shut up. I ain't taking that disrespect anymore. Cause I am.
I know, like this disrespect.
Bro, I died. Oh, there is he. Get, bruh.
Oh, yeah, got to shoot.
Same to you.
No, I only have it at 25, but he has like a 100.
Exactly. And you know, 100 is even trash.
Die.
Ah.
You know what? I'm good person. I won't do it.
No. You won't do what?
Auto shoot at 100.
No. I need one more 50. Let's go, I got him. He was literally dumpy reloading. Bro, let me take kills. I'll kill you now.
How can he kill me? I'm your teammate.
I hope I could. I'm not gonna lie. No! No, I died! Oh no, oh no. He's over there. They both are sniping. And you're so dead. Oh! It's 3-3. Chevy is losing so bad because of you. He was like, nice. Stop trying to waste my subspace. Nope.
Okay, let me help you.
Bruh! You stole.
Bro, you're not killing the other guy.
Take it. Look, I stole it. You stole mine, I stole yours. Else. We have to win this. We have to win this, bro. We have to win this. Because OG people are OG. Bro, where are you? Wait, are you that breaking the windows?
I am breaking the windows so whatever I need to run, I can
Nope.
run through the
Oh, I got one.
help.
Come on, Shreya, you can't lose. Don't say, bruh, you died. Where is he? You should know that. Oh, let's go. Guys, I'm DW. I'm DW. Bro, you stole kills. That's why you have more damage than me. You literally have 40 more damage. How much yellow do I even have? Ooh. Let me put one more. I have 538. Guys, if I just win like, I don't know how many more matches. 5 matches. I will get my, you know what? My silver rank.
Like 5 more matches, yeah.
Yeah. No, not 5.
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, 5 or 4. 6, 7, 5, 4, 3.
Guys, who still says 6,026?
B.
Comment which is the best. Oh, yeah!
I swear if somebody bans the sniper now.
It was unranked.
Let's go, sniper ain't ban. Why did you ban the slim?
Guys,
Next.
won't even use it in this map.
I would love to. I have beaten a lot of people in this map with the flamethrower, even though if it's big.
It's okay.
Me. Next time.
But I cannot jump.
That's not my problem. Yeah. Bruh, die. Bruh, die. What? He's still alive? I got him. Finally. No! I'm so there, bro. I gave him 50. And how? No, I died. Oh no. How are you dead? How are you dead, Shreya? Guy.
You always like, you die.
Shut up. How did you die, bro? We both are ranked bronze 2 and 3. And they are both unranked.
Well, that's just not
I died.
problem. I know, I can see that. I'm not dying.
I mean, yeah, you're also dead.
Okay, I need to use my knife.
You're a copycat. What? Bro, he knifed me. Bro, how are you so dumb? Freaking good. I bet you'll lose. These both look snow, but they ain't. Look.
Yeah, I know.
And now you're gonna get sniped.
What the hell, bro? You didn't left me with 2 people.
And they both are good.
Bro, can you help?
He knifed me. Oh my god. Why don't you ever understand? You have to understand a human. I don't know why am I not able to do headshot.
Help.
Why, bro? My auto aim is trash. Look. I got him. We just need the second guy. Let's go, girl. Shreya, you're so good.
Yeah, now you switch sides. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we are slay. Oh my god, slay. Slay, girl. Slay. Wow, we are so slay. No, I know where is he. Even though I did not see him. Fuck. I'm on my way. Bro, did you die?
No.
Good. Help. Thanks. Bruh.
Look at the sniping from there. I see.
I got him. Let's go. We can do a comeback. Guys, we can do such a good comeback.
Come back.
Okay, guys, Shreya, always go at that white place where that we'll find that other guy who's knifing us. Come.
Okay, let me take out my knife just in case. No, my sorry.
No! Huh? He killed me from behind. Bruh, you're getting sniped. Look!
I'm getting bored.
Bro!
Are you kidding me?
Bruh, I'm literally stuck over there. I'm dead over there.
I know, I thought that was the other person and then I was like, wait, let me shoot.
Bro, Oh, let's go, Shreya. I bet. Okay, he's over there. Sniping.
And I can see him. Kill him. 1 more 50 and he's...
Let's go. You're a good girl.
Let's go.
Guys, we are slay. Okay, you go at the white spot and from there. Ah! No.
What happened?
Oh no, they both are there. Oh no, Shreya help.
Coming to the rescue.
Where? I'm Oma? No, you're not. Yeah, you died.
Saddle.
No. Bro, I needed 1 more 50.
Are you kidding me?
Bro, this guy plays good.
How? He's really good with the knife.
Wait, come from here. Look, they are gonna come from here, right here. Look, I told you. No. Bro, I died. No. They can win. They'll win. Bro! Nah, try to rematch. I want a rematch. Rematch. My hello too. Let's go. We got a rematch. I need to win. Let's go. Yeah. We are the OG. We are the OG guys. We have to show them the L. Nah, ban the knife. What did you waste it, bro? Why didn't you ban the freaking knife?
I'm sorry.
Take the royal shield.
I can stop the knife. Choose the katana.
No, katana does not work on knife. Take the royal shield.
It does.
Nah, I'll be the royal shield guy. Katana, does not work on knife.
Well, it worked for me.
Hey, his Uzi won't work now. Look, his knife also does not. Yep, you killed him.
Yeah.
I literally gave 0 damage. But who cares?
I gave like 300 damage.
Yeah, because you did.
I know. Why are you putting up? Let's go down and then kill them. Come.
Where are they? Can you see them? I can. Dope, take this. Snipe him.
Why not you?
Because I am sitting with the royal shield. Good. I was literally sitting with the royal shield. I'm still. I have 50 damage only. Bro, at least you can do all the work and I won't die.
Okay, he's sniping me.
You died?
Yeah, right.
Nah, I'll take out my riot. Hello. Hey, bye. What if I kick him out of the map? Get over here. Bruh.
This guy loves movies.
Yeah. You know what? I'll keep on. Bro, take out the royal shield and whenever they just come close, just hit them once. Oh, wait, you don't have. Bruh, sad. Bro, buy a royal shield. Then we can just camp.
I have the keys for it, but I didn't buy it.
I can see him.
Where do you see him?
Dope, take it. Come on, Shreya, get him.
He's sniping. So he's sniping.
Hello, brother. Yo, you doing good? Let me hit him with my royal. Bro, he knifed me. I don't know how. And yeah, I know you're gonna die. He had literally 4 health. You literally needed him 1 dagger, bro. Even 1 energy pistol would work.
I should have banned the knife.
Hello. Who's there? Hello, bro. What do you think you are doing? Hello. What the hell is bro doing? Nah, bro. This is so. You'll die. Hello. Nope. Bro, I literally had it blocked. Why are we both dancing?
My sniper is in. No.
You know what? I'll stay with this. Go over here. Do this. Bro, I'm distracting him. Till then you go from up and try to kill him. Look, I have both of them using the sniper. I'm getting like no damage. Guys, that's called teamwork. He's up over there trying to snipe.
I'm not in peace. But this guy is not really good in sniper. He's good in sniper and I'm going to kill him. No, I'm going to kill him. You can.
Oh, let's go! Holy! I know I have less damage, but I don't care. I only have like 150 damage. No! No, I died. Oh no, I guess I died. I'm dead. Bro, what is that? Bro, what is wrong with you? I know, I died. We can't lose this, Shreya.
We cannot just die by these.
Dumb. We can't buy these goobers.
Yeah, you like Google. But no.
Yeah, so. Yeah, you're dead.
How do you die by that?
How am I getting? Huh? Bruh, how am I getting hit in?
Spray! We were using the spray.
So, it's still. No.
Spray can go to right shield.
Oh my god. I did not know that.
Dad!
Yeah. Oh my god, again crossroads. I thought we got splash.
I banned the knife!
Yeah, you should do that. Somebody banned the sniper.
Oh, wait, no!
Wait, let me try with my flamethrower now.
Okay.
Yeah, they're so cooked. I took the smoke grenade. They're so dead, bro. Yeah, you should. Why don't you have anything like pay to win?
Well, of course, I don't pay to win.
Well, I guess you should.
No.
Then why do you keep on begging me for Robux?
If I can, then I will.
Bro, I died. Now they are assault spamming. Should I take the minigun and spam? Throw the grenade!
Oh my god! They use every single thing.
That's good with everything, single thing.
Yeah, we have to assault spam now.
I made a big cloud. Can you see that?
I know I can.
Come on, you shoot him, I'll burn him.
I am at 6.
No, bro, I died. Wait,
I am at 6 health.
bro, I fell down. He pushed me out of the map.
Yeah, we died because I'm at 6 health.
Ah, yeah. What if you win? It would have been a clutch. Oh,
Wait, I can do this.
oh no, bro, bruh.
Bro, we need to flash back.
Yeah. Wait, what if I do this and that? This
Flash
and that?
back has actually got so much oil.
Nah, bro. I'll kill him now. I'll burn him to death. Bye. Bye, buddy. Burn. Ha ha. Bro, you stole my. Nah. You stole my kill. Stop stealing.
He's getting distracted because of this.
Shut up. I'm taking this kill. Stay away. Bro!
I was distracting him.
Hello, my name is Shreya and my IQ is 21. I mean minus 21. Yo guys, how do you like burning to death? It's kind of satisfying, right? Come on, bro. You can burn. It's not even that hard, bro. You killed. Bro, I died. Come on. You can get him. I got him low. I got him low. I swear if you die, bro. Bro, stop reloading. Go down, go down, go down. Bro, look back. He would come. Bro, what is wrong with you? Guys, guys, Shreya L in the chat. Guys, Shreya L in the chat. 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 Whoa. Okay. Yo, brother, how you doing? You wanna burn? Oh, I don't think you want to. That's why I would burn you. Hello, you brother, you dead? What?
He's really low. He's like a
Yo, brother.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Brother? Bro, flamethrower is so good. Guys, W flamethrower in the chat and L Shreya in the chat. That's all we need today. Guys, can we keep a like aim for like 50 likes, guys? We get barely any likes. We get like 6 likes.
Come.
People never like to us or comment. Please subscribe if you are watching this. Holy moly. Holy, bro. Wait, where am I being shot, bro? I'm literally trapped in my own. Oh my god. Bro. How did you die so quick? Bro, I died also. How? Bro, he knows how to fly with the satchel. It means he's a pro then. People who know how to fly with the satchel, they are pro. Bro, can this dude stop now? You know what? Take this. Yeah, take over there. I'll use all my smoke grenade over there.
Alright.
Oh my god, so Selena will die and we'll lose.
Bro, I was trying to jump with the sergeant, but then they
I would literally die now. Because of you, dumb girl. No.
That is not. Bro, why are you dying? This guy loves the chainsaw.
I hate you, Shreya.
I hate these people.
Come on, let's.
No.
Bro, my elo went so low now.
I think the wrong one.
Mine is. You're on bronze 1. Lol.
Because of you.
I don't care. My elo is 475, guys.
Yeah, let's just end the video now.
Okay, I guess. Guys, that's it for today. Bye. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment L in the chat for Shreya. Bye.